We're maintaining a steady flow through the pellet mill.
And the nutritional analysis looks precise. We can proceed with packaging.
The mineralization here looks exceptional.
Agreed. The scanner shows peak velvet stage, ready for harvest.
Look at the vascularization on this one.
Yeah, the laser scan confirms it's ahead of schedule. We should note the texture.
How are the readings on the ultrasound?
Clear margins, doctor. All systems optimal. We can proceed with the transfer.
Vitals look good on station 3. Proceed to collection. Copy that. Moving now.
The fresh velvet antlers arrive continuously on stainless steel conveyor belts. Here, high-pressure purified water. Here, the specialists examine the velvet antlers for quality and consistency, sorting them before the final grading process.
The density reading on this one is exceptional.
Confirmed. We'll categorize it as ultra premium and send it down conveyor 3.
The readout here confirms the 4.2% moisture target.
Perfect. Automated logging is complete. We are cleared for packaging.
Every movement is synchronized to maximize efficiency, allowing these pallets to travel directly toward the warehouse storage area.
Pallet 7B is secured. Confirming location update now. Over.
Roger that. Moving to the next pickup. Make sure the Antler cartons are secure.
Roger that. Scanning now for Europe.
Pathway clear for the next group.
Scanning confirmed. All green.
All identification records confirmed, Doctor.
Good. The digital scan is complete. We are approved for processing.
Attention all teams. Intake schedule for Sector Gamma is running at 95% capacity. Ensure continuous flow to the preparation area.
All systems green on the pre-wash.
Initiating automated sequence now. Keep an eye on the flow rate.
The core temperature on line 3 is stabilizing faster than projected.
Did the last batch clear inspection? Here on the fabrication floor, our teams work in perfect synchronization with the automated lines to maximize yield and quality. Every movement demonstrates precision and consistency. The team works in synchronization, maintaining rapid production speed under strict protocols.
The analysis confirms compliance with export standards. Excellent. We can release this batch for automated packaging.
This extract is certified for export quality. It really helps with vitality.
So this is the most potent form.
Yes, the absorption rate is excellent.
Premium venison is rapidly moved along the automated vacuum sealing equipment, ensuring maximum freshness and preservation.
Staging area clear, awaiting confirmation. Roger that. Unit 7, bring it in.
We need this pallet on truck 4, manifest checked. Copy that, moving it now.
This sophisticated cold chain ensures premium New Zealand venison reaches markets worldwide, fresh and on schedule.
All deliveries accounted for. Straight into the cooler. Keep the flow going.
Is this the loin chop from the Highland Estate?
Yes, sir. Vacuum sealed this morning, an excellent choice.